art friends, today we are going to draw a fall fairy.
We hope you're going to follow along. It's going to be a lot of fun. You ready to start?
Yes.
We're using our Art for Kids Hub alcohol-based markers. If you have the same set, you can follow along with us and also use the same colors. But don't worry, you can use something completely different, like even just colored pencils. Or you can also use a different brand of alcohol-based markers and just use similar colors. Oh, and also we're using our marker paper. This helps make our markers last longer and is more fun to blend with. Let's start by drawing our little fairy's mouth. I'm going to draw a little smile in the middle of my paper. And then we're going to draw a circle on the left and the same size circle on the right. Then we're going to draw a smaller circle for the highlight in each eye. And then we're going to color in the big circle, but leave that little circle white. We're also in our new studio. It's so exciting, huh?
Yes.
And I like our background, even though it's more simple because we don't have all the art supplies. We just have our logo. I like it. It looks cool.
We're very professional.
Yeah, maybe. If we ever go too fast, what can our friends do?
Pause the video.
Yeah, if you need more time. Now let's draw the shape of our fairy's head. We're going to start on the left side, and I'm going to draw a cheek that's round, but then come across to the other side, and then a cheek that's round over here, and then back up. And I started on the left side and drew to the right because I'm right-handed. If you're left-handed, it might work best to go the other way. Okay, now let's draw our little fairy ears. We're going to draw 2 lines or diagonal lines coming out from each side. And then we can draw a curve coming in for the bottom. Now let's draw her hair. I'm going to start over the ear and we'll draw a little curve that comes up, and then we're going to draw a zigzag. And then we can draw another curve. And we're drawing an upside down U shape to come over here and connect to this ear in the same place. So that's kind of where we're going, just so you know. Then we're going to draw another zigzag, and then we can draw a little bump maybe. We'll draw her part right there. We can draw it coming out, and then a zigzag coming back, and then curving into the ear. She has little messy hair. She's been flying through the forest. That's why. Okay, now we're going to draw her hair coming down like this over her eye. And we can add another zigzag. And we'll draw it curving down in between her ear and eye. Okay, now let's draw the other side. We could draw it curving down this way. And then we can zigzag up and back down to her cheek.
We forgot eyelashes.
Oh yeah. Let's add 3 little eyelashes on each side. We could also draw a little eyebrow too on each side. We'll add longer hair, but let's draw her body first or next. We're going to draw 2 lines down from her chin, and then we could draw her waist. Then let's draw her dress. We'll draw 2 curves coming out on each side. And then let's draw a zigzag line for the bottom of her dress, connecting over to the other side. Now we could also add little details to her dress. Let's add a fall leaf right in the middle. I'm going to draw an upside down letter V. And then we could draw another letter V on the other side. And then we could draw another letter V on the other side and connect. Then let's draw the stem. And we could also draw leaves on top of her dress. I'm going to draw a little leaf shape here. And we can draw them coming over to the right side. And you could even add more leaves, but let's leave it just like that. Let's now draw her arm. We'll draw a curve coming out, around, and then back in. Looks a little bit like a raindrop shape. And we can do the same thing on the other side. And let's also add her legs. I'm going to draw a letter U and another letter U. And we could give her little shoes too. I'm going to draw the little line at the bottom of each leg. Now let's draw her hair and give her longer hair. We're going to draw a curve coming down, and we're going to go behind her arm. I'm going to add a little zigzag, and then we'll connect to her arm, We'll imagine that going through her arm and connecting to her dress. And then we can imagine that going behind her dress and curving off to the side. Now let's draw her hair over here. We'll draw it coming down behind the ear, a little zigzag, and then we're going to draw it curving behind her hand and into the bottom. Oh, she looks really cute. Except what is she missing?
Her wings.
Yeah, let's give her fall leaf wings, or wings that look like fall leaves. We're going to start here, right next to her ear, and we'll draw it curving out to the side, and we can match on both sides. Then we're going to draw it big. This is the end of her wing, or the leaves. Big curves coming down. Then we're going to draw the leaf coming out. We can do that, matching on both sides. And then we're going to curve back up and in. And then let's add one more little zigzag to finish her wings. To make them look more like a leaf, let's draw the center part of the leaf coming in to her body on both sides to match. And then we can draw the little branches on those center parts. I think these might be called veins in the leaf. And I'm going to add them over here too. Oh, and also let's give her a headband. I'm going to draw a curve going through her hair over to the other side. And then we can add berries. I'm going to draw circles connected to the headband. And then let's draw some leaves too. I'm going to draw one leaf sticking out here. And also on the bottom, well, let's do two more. We can add another berry and more leaves further down the headband. And let's do it over here too. Oh, she looks really cute, except we still need to
Color it.
Yes, this part will speed up, but at the end, if you want to match her same color, you can pause the video. You ready to fast forward?
Yes.
We did it, Teryn. We finished drawing and coloring our fall fairies, and they turned out perfect. I always love yours the most.
Oh, thank you.
You can pause the video right now to match our same coloring.
Or you can change the colors any way you want.
Yeah, you could also add extra details, like we added acorns, mushrooms, and leaves. But you could draw the whole forest if you want, or even more fairies.
We hope you had fun drawing your fall fairy.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, our friends.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.